In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use responsive AI with Wix Studio. This tool is fantastic for making sure your site looks great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can make your website responsive with just a few clicks using Wix Studio. First, begin by navigating to Wix Studio and access your site, specifically titled My Site 2. This is where we will start making our adjustments. Wix Studio is an intuitive platform for creating and managing your website, so don't worry if this is your first time. You'll quickly get the hang of it. Once you're in Wix Studio, the next step is to focus on the desktop. Click on the desktop option, particularly if you're gearing to make the desktop version of your site responsive. Responsiveness is crucial as it ensures your site adapts smoothly to various screen sizes. This change will not only improve user experience but could potentially enhance your site's search engine optimization since responsive design is favored by search engines. Now, locate and click on the responsive AI option. This is where the magic happens. Responsive AI is a unique tool that helps automate the adjustment of your web design, making sure everything from images to text aligns perfectly, no matter the device. It takes a lot of the heavy lifting out of the process so you can focus on other parts of your website. After clicking on Responsive AI, you'll see a button labeled Generate Now. Go ahead and click it. Here, you'll need to give it a moment to generate the responsive elements. You'll notice as it progresses, images and text become adaptable to different screen sizes. This automatic adjustment is a huge time saver and ensures every visitor to your site has a seamless experience. Once responsive AI has finished generating, inspect what it has done. If you're satisfied with the results, move on to the next step, clicking on Apply Design. This step confirms the changes and integrates them into your site's design. Take your time to ensure you're happy with how everything looks before applying, as this is a crucial step in finalizing your layout. Finally, click on the margin to resize your elements and preview them. As you do this, you'll witness how effortlessly the elements respond to size changes. You can easily tweak margins and in the process, assure that elements maintain their design integrity across different devices, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've used responsive AI in Wix Studio to create a responsive website effortlessly. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to experiment with these tools to keep your site looking fantastic on any device, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.